Hey y'all, I'm asialabrittany and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what is inside my Michael Kors bag. I actually got this bag, well, Babe bought me this bag in Daytona Beach, which was our last trip we just went on, which was in July. I actually just was using the purse, but you know, we're first gonna go to Atlanta tomorrow, so I like to carry like bags like this so I can fit everything in it, because purses don't be fitting all my stuff. I mean, like, I don't want to carry around a purse, but I want to carry around like a little backpack like this. So I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. I was vlogging, so you guys might see me in the same clothes. Just know that's why I'm actually recording this video the same day I was vlogging. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first part is this zipper part, and all I have in here is just my insurance cards and some, you know, scrunchies. There's nothing in this one because if you guys can see, I don't know if this is gonna do with anything, but it's like a little snap-on, and you know, something can easily fall out of that, so I ain't trusting it, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna keep everything in here, you know, in the zipper part. So I'm going to show you guys what's in it. So when you first open up the bag, you know, it looks like this. So I'm gonna show you guys what I have in here. So the first thing is my glasses. If you guys do not know, I have bad eyes, really bad eyes. So, you know, gotta wear the glasses. So the next thing that I have in here is this Juicy Couture, like, spray. I don't know what you call these type sprays, but it's this. They actually bought me this for Christmas. It was actually like a whole Juicy Couture kit. It came with this, a big bottle of spray, and some lotion. And I think that was it. I think that was all that was in the kit. The next thing I have is some lip gloss. Y'all, I got about 10 of these things. I got some here. I carry them around with me. You know what I'm saying? I got some in my car. Like, I always gotta have some lip gloss, y'all, because my lips be looking, I don't like having dry lips and something. I gotta have something on them. The next thing I have is some hand sanitizer, you know what I'm saying? Next I have is this little wallet. I just put change in here, so like if I'm paying in cash or something, I just put my change in here so it won't be all over the place, because this is my wallet, and you know, it's really can't fit change in here, but you know, it's cute, so you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna complain, it's cute. But yeah, in here I just got some like money and, you know, cards and stuff. So next I have some big scrunchies, because these scrunchies don't be doing nothing, so I gotta have me the bigger scrunchies. Next I have me some watermelon lemonade Bath & Body Works lotion. This stuff smells so good, y'all. I always get this brand, like this is my go-to, this and Thousand Wishes. Those are my favorite Bath & Body Works scents. So if you guys ever want to give me some Bath & Body Works, now you know my favorite scents, okay? So next I have my Dove deodorant. It's a small bottle. This is just the one that I keep in my purses, but I have like the bigger one of these, but that's for like at home, or like if I'm in a hotel room or something, I can easily put that on. But this is just like what I carry around with me in the cars and stuff. So next, y'all, this is a must-have in all my bags. Like, I can forget anything of these, but this, y'all, I gotta have me some Tylenol. I be having headaches out of this world, migraines and all. I gotta have me some Tylenol, because, like, I don't know, like, I know it's not healthy for me to keep taking them, and I be having headaches like every day, but you know, it's just for the time being until I can actually make me an appointment and see what's going on with these headaches. But you know, it is what it is. Next, I have me like a pen, just in case if anybody want my autograph. I'm just playing, but yeah, this is just a pen. Like if I gotta sign anything, you know, some people I don't like touching everybody's pens, so I'll be having my own. And next, you know, this is for the girls, you know what I'm saying? I got some tampons in here. I don't really have a lot in here right now because, you know, it ain't that time yet, but you know, I got me some just in case, you know, if somebody else need them, or, you know, if I was to just come on all of a sudden. I got some Carmex, you know, because these lips be chapped. So got me some Carmex. And I think this is the last thing I have, which is some eye drops, because my eyes do be getting dry, because, you know, I do wear glasses, and I don't know, like, I just be having dry eyes, like, all the time. Like, dry eyes just, I don't know, like, they get to me if I'm standing outside too long, if I'm just staring at something, if I'm driving, my eyes will just get dry. So I gotta keep me some eye drops. And the last thing I have in here is just an extra key to my mama's car, you know, so, you know, if she was to lose her keys or something, I have hers all the time. But that's really all that I have in my bag. I really don't have nothing else in here. Yeah, I don't have nothing else in here. This is just to show you guys what I carry with me, like, to a little trip or something. Really, if I was to do my purse, I wouldn't carry like all of these with me. I'd really just carry my deodorant, the little, you know, long spray that I showed you guys, and, you know, my wallet. That's pretty, and some Germex, you know, but that's pretty much it that I carry with me. And nothing else. This is my bag again. If you guys want to see it, this is what it looks like. The wallet does match, and I have a purse that matches this. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. So this is the purse that matches, it's the matching purse to this bag, and the wallet matches. They got me the whole set, so, you know, I'm very appreciative of it. Actually, Michael Kors had a sale, actually, and they was giving away, you know, not giving away, but, you know, had a sale on matching Michael Kors stuff. So, you know, I hopped right on that, and I got it. And, you know, they was like, oh, let me swipe my card, let me buy this for you. So he bought it for me, and I'm really appreciative of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have to start packing and, you know, cleaning up a little bit before tomorrow. I know we're leaving tomorrow night, so you guys probably will get this when I'm there already, or maybe, you know, the day we're leaving. I'm not sure yet, but make sure you guys like and subscribe.